Hi, my name is Alan Nichols. I'm the Business Development Manager over here at MAXHUB. And what I want to introduce to you here is our new XCORE Pro. Everybody at this point is now familiar with our XCORE, our first low-cost Windows Teams room system at $7.99. And what we heard from a lot of our customers is, hey, this is amazing for our small rooms, amazing for our huddle rooms, but we also have a lot of dual screen rooms and we have a lot of large rooms where the touch panel needs to be a lot further away. We listened and we re-engineered our XCORE Pro to not just handle two displays, but we included a third HDMI port for when Microsoft develops the software to have a three display Teams room system as well. So it's just one software upgrade away from a triple display. We also ditched the USB-C cable on our touch panel here, and the touch panel is now connected via a Cat5e cable. So you can hook the first one up to 50 meters from the device. And for those large rooms where you're going to need multiple, we can also tether a second touch panel to it as well. One thing we are also releasing here is our new P30 PTZ camera up here. And what that's going to do for your large rooms is we have an AI camera built into it as well as a 4K Sony sensor with 12x optical zoom. And we can do active speaker tracking on it. We can do active following. We can do active presenter tracking. We can do what I always like to call the Brady Bunch view on it, up to 8 people on there. So that's going to be a great addition to your large conference rooms, your auditoriums. We also include a USB connectivity, IP camera connectivity, RS-232 control on it. So if you do have an audio system in the room, say you're going to have multi-camera controls in there, we can track it, we can tell it where to point, we can switch cameras. So if you want to read more about the XCORE Kit Pro, go to www.maxhub.com and we'll have all the information on the XCORE Kit Pro. Get a hold of us on there, send us an email, click on the contact us, and we can get you a lot more documentation on it and get you some test units out using our new try and buy program. Thank you so much.